I am Rakesh Agarwal, Managing Director of Image Consulting Business Institute, world's leading institute in the field of image consulting and soft skills training. If you have just completed your certification with us or you are considering joining our program, you probably have one burning question. How do I actually get clients and start earning? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to walk you through the complete journey of creating a new identity, massive impact, substantial income, and financial independence. This isn't theory. This is the exact pathway thousands of our image consultants and soft skills trainers have followed to build successful practices. If you join us, I will personally guide you at each step to make this your story. So let's dive in and see how this works. Meet Parul. She just completed her Master of Transformation program from ICBI, got certified as an image consultant and soft skills trainer. She is ready to start her practice. But her question is, how do I actually get clients and start earning? At ICBI, we don't just train you and wish you luck. We guide you through a proven journey, learning, earning, and scaling. Let's see how Parul turns her certification into a thriving practice. During her training, Parul didn't just learn theory. Using ICBI's pro bono tools, she practiced with free one-on-one sessions and workshops, reaching out to people in her network, schools, colleges, companies, and local institutions. ICBI's AI Journey Guide tool helped her create the free workshops and craft her approach. This built both her skills and confidence. After certification, Parul was ready to launch her practice. But unlike most freelancers who struggle to find their first client, Parul had three clear pathways to start earning immediately. Now, in path one, from hundreds of possible target markets, with my guidance and ICBI's Target Market Finder AI tool, Parul chose college students preparing for placements as her target market, which aligned with her background, interest, and passion. Having done that, using ICBI's workshop and packages maker AI tool, she created her campus to corporate workshops and consulting packages. She posted content using ICBI's social media content creation AI tool. She created free workshops to funnel people into paid offering using the free workshop creation AI tool. And then she connected with college placement cells using impressive proposals created with ICBI's proposal and profile creation AI tool. Within weeks, her first workshop had 20 students. The response was overwhelming. From these workshops, she started getting one-on-one consultation requests. Students wanted personal interview preparation coaching. Today, her calendar is packed with both workshops bookings and individual consultations. Now talking about path 2, where people find you. So here is the beauty of this approach. While Parul markets herself to her target market, which is college students, but she is not limited to just that market. On ICBI's first of its kind in the world appointment booking platform and search engine for image consultants and soft skill trainers, she is listed across 40 plus service categories. Clients find her and they book appointments with her for varied needs. Using ICBI's guidance and tools, she also optimizes her profile for Google search so people can easily find her. She also builds authority by answering questions on Quora and Reddit about image consulting and soft skill training challenges. Slowly, she becomes more visible and discoverable. And then here is what happens. A corporate professional books her for a wardrobe consultation. A bride to be comes to her for pre wedding styling. A working parent comes for confidence coaching. A company approaches her for training their employees. An entrepreneur approaches her for personal branding. Another executive approaches her for communication skills training. These clients found her. She didn't need to promote to them. When you promote yourself, you focus on your target market. When people find you, you serve whoever needs your expertise. And then here is another way ICBI supports you. We feature your work on our website, promote you across our social media channels and newsletters, and give you visibility to thousands of potential clients. As you become more established, we even feature you in Instagram Lives with Suman Agarwal, our director, and the senior most image consultant in the Indian subcontinent. Your success is our success. So we actively market you and your work. Now, in part three, where ICBI gives you work, as Parul grows her practice and establishes herself, another opportunity opens up. ICBI outsources work to its high performing consultants, corporate training assignments, one on one consulting projects, and even internal assignments training ICBI's own students. Because Parul delivered quality work and received excellent feedback, ICBI has faith on her now for paid projects. The more she excels, the more opportunities come her way. Some of our consultants have earned over 60 lakhs from ICBI assignments alone. Hundreds of ICBI certified professionals have earned lakhs of rupees from work we have outsourced. This isn't just a certification, it's a pathway to consistent income streams, even as you build your own practice. After establishing her practice through all three pathways, Parul is now ready to scale and go to the next level. Using ICBI's digital product expansion training, she creates her first online course, a program that sells while she sleeps. With ICBI's high ticket sales bootcamp training, she launches premium group programs, training 20 30 people at once in a 3 month program, charging 1 to 1.5 lakh rupees per person. Her automated sales funnel works 24 by 7. Her digital products generate passive income. Her group programs multiply her impact and earnings. Parul now earns even while she is sleeping because she builds systems, not just a practice. Every morning when she wakes up and opens her payment dashboard, she finds new enrollments and payments that came in overnight. A delightful surprise. But Parul's journey doesn't stop at financial success. As she grows her expertise and impact, new doors open. She receives invitations to speak at TEDx events, Josh Talks, and prestigious industry forums. Colleges invite her to inspire students. Professional associations recognize her as an expert. She is invited to nominate herself for various industry awards. And then one day, Parul is in for a surprise. Her friend calls her excitedly, asking her to turn on the news channel immediately. There is a breaking news she needs to see.
The prestigious Impactful Woman of the Year award was announced yesterday. This award recognizes women who have contributed to the world by creating massive impact on the lives of thousands of people. This year, the award has been won by an image consultant and soft skills trainer. As we all know, 85% of success in life is dependent on our appearance, behavior, and communications. That is exactly what image consultants and soft skills trainers help their clients with. Let's take a look at what happened at the award function held last night. That was some crowd celebrating the winner of the Impactful Woman of the Year award, as we can clearly see how she has impacted lives of thousands. Our heartiest congratulations to her once again. We'll be back after a short break.
This is Parul's journey, from certification to a thriving practice to financial freedom to industry recognition. But here is what makes it special. This isn't just one person's story. Hundreds of ICBI-certified consultants and trainers are living this reality. They are running successful practices, earning from multiple streams, training dozens of clients simultaneously, speaking on prestigious stages, and waking up to payments that came in while they slept. At ICBI, we don't just give you a certificate and wish you luck. We give you the tools, AI-powered systems for every step. We give you the training from your first free workshop to scaling to 6 figures. We give you the work through our platform and outsource assignments. And we give you the community, mentors, peers, and ongoing support. Your image consulting or soft skill training practice doesn't have to be a lonely struggle. It can be a clear, supported pathway from learning to earning to scaling to recognition. This is your invitation. Parul's journey can be your journey. Are you ready to transform lives starting with your own?